You can allow your customers to seamlessly buy tickets and register for events on your website by embedding the Ticket Tailor widget. From the Promote section of your dashboard, choose Website Embed Code from the side menu to get started. Click the button titled Edit Widget Settings to change how the widget looks. If you only want to embed specific events, you can add a common name in the title of your events into the box labeled Filter Items by a keyword. If you're choosing to display all of your events, you have a variety of design options to choose from under the Event or Store dropdown. We'll take a look at these options shortly. If you want to embed a widget with products from your store or a single event, you can use the same dropdown. Use the other settings to choose whether the background should be filled or transparent, whether to show the logo and event description, and to add a unique referral tag. When you're done editing, click the Update Widget button to see a preview of how your widget will look. Use the Edit Widget Colors button to add further customization to your widget. You can choose from existing presets or select your own. Click Save when you're done. Under the Copy Embed Code heading, use the drop-down menu to choose whether you'll be embedding your widget in an HTML or WordPress website. Copy and paste the generated code into your website on the page where you want your Ticket Tailor widget to appear. As mentioned earlier, there are various ways to display your events using the Ticket Tailor widget, 3 list views and 2 calendar views. Let's take a look at each one. First up, the All Events list. A clean, scrollable list of everything you've got on. Simple, tidy, and easy to browse. Next, All Events list with image by event. Same idea but with your event images front and center. You can choose between a list layout or a 3-column grid, whatever suits your site best. The All Events list with image by date is identical to the last view, but this time your events are ordered chronologically. If you prefer a calendar format to display your events, you've got 2 options. The All Events calendar with list gives you a split view, with the calendar on one side and your events on the other. And finally, the All Events full calendar is a Google-style calendar where ticket buyers can click any date to see what's on. This one's perfect if you've got a packed schedule.